and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and grateful to have you here with me today. Today I have a very exciting video, but before I get into the details about today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And that's about it. Let's go ahead and get straight into today's video. So I thought it would be a nice idea to test out TjMaxx makeup. Let me know what you think down below if you would like that. Some brands might be brands that are very known, but there's just products that I haven't tried out, and some might be just brands that we don't know or that they're just typically found at TjMaxx. So let me know what you think. I hope all of that made sense, but let's get into today's video. I do not have anything from BH Cosmetics, so I thought, you know what better way to get into the brand and kind of test it out. This one was only $6.99, so I'm going to swatch it for you and test it out for you today. We're going to create a very nice and easy look. So this is what the palette looks like. It's called the Dark Side palette and only $7. It's very affordable. So it does come with a mirror, and then these are the shades. There's some beautiful neutral shades right here. You have a highlight and you have a blush. I already have blush, but I can always top it off with more, and we will be trying this out today. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch the first row, then the second row, and then the blush and the highlight. So I'm going to be doing that, and then we'll create a look with it, and we'll talk about, is it worth my $7 or should we just leave it behind at TjMaxx when we see it? So let's go ahead and get started with the swatches. All right, so here we have the first row of shadows swatched. I'm already impressed. They're so pretty, especially those shimmer shades. All right, and here is the second row of swatches. There's only one shimmer and the rest are matte shades. I'm very impressed with the shimmers. The mattes look very creamy as well. All right, friends, so right here you have the beautiful highlight and the pink blush. So pretty. Look at how stunning that highlight is. Gorgeous. Let's go ahead and get straight into today's eye look.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so so. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you.
So I went ahead and added some lashes and a little bit of liner on the waterline, and this is the look that I came up with that palette. Before I give my final thoughts on this palette, I am going to add some highlight. I'm not going to go in with the blush just because I have a lot of blush already, but I will be trying out the highlight for you all today. So I have my highlight brush here. Ooh, that's intense highlight right there. So pretty. Let me try and blend it out a little bit. How gorgeous. Look at that. I love adding it like on the apples of my cheeks. I'm gonna add a tiny bit on my nose. my temples. So there we have the gorgeous highlight. So what do you all think of this look and the highlight? So let me go ahead and give you my final thoughts on this $7 palette from TjMaxx. This is the brand BH Cosmetics, and guys, I absolutely love the colors. They are so easy to work with. They're super amazing, and this palette is just a beautiful. You can create a great smoky eye, or you can go a little bit more neutral without the deeper shades. I absolutely love it. It's like a little staple that you can have for every day, or maybe a night out, or just a very sultry look. I think it's beautiful. I think the highlight is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know, it just looks very, very beautiful, and just it glistens. It's so pretty. So I am definitely going to give this a big thumbs up. But if you are to find this one, I definitely recommend. It's $7. You get so many beautiful shades. You get 10 gorgeous shades. The shimmers are fantastic. The mattes blend out very nicely. You get a highlight and you get a blush, like everything in one. I think this is such a great deal, especially if you're starting out your makeup collection and you just want to incorporate a little bit more here and there. I think this is a great addition. It's super affordable, and it's just a very good overall. So that is my thoughts over this mini little review on this palette. Let me know what you thought of this type of video, testing out some TjMaxx makeup that I find down in the comment section below. I would love to read those comments from you all. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, for hanging out with me today, and taking time out of your day to watch my videos. I am so grateful for you. I will see you on my next video. Bye, friends.